dude. The dude ain't open. But he threw it anyway. And Mike, it makes me scratch my head about these kids. Like, why the hell y'all can't tackle?
That's what they was not doing.
Yeah, how the hell he get a 60-yard pick six and he's running on the sideline?
Durango wants to play too fast.
Durango's number 21, their running back. He was untackleable. Yeah. Because he was running around on there like it was nothing. I'm thinking they got him tackled and he spin out of it, he gone. I'm like, oh, man.
They like, look, straight up, it's raining. We already here.
But I can't take nothing from, like I always say, I can't take nothing from Bonanza's defense. They had, think about it, they had fumble recovery, first play of the game, and the kickoff. They had 3 interceptions. So the defense had 4 takeaways. The offense, you gotta get the, you know what I'm saying? The offense is so stagnant that I was like, unbelievable. This offense, I don't know what the coaches are thinking with this offensive team.
And that's what Durango was able to like, because they did the same plays too, but they played very.
At least they had them open to where if they think, hey, we got 3 wide receiver set, you don't know what we run. We got 4 wide receiver set, then we can probably get it to the screen pass to the running back or something. Whereas we finally start running a couple 4 wide receiver sets, 3 wide receiver sets. But it's like you doing it on 3rd and 16. And you should have did it on 1st down or 2nd down.
And all they do is just reverse it and get in their fucking zone. And get in their fucking zone. And then it's like Bonanza sees that, so now they start running with him.
That's what
but they're able to play their offense for them.
You can tell when they run zone coverage. Quarterbacks are staying on one side of the field, they literally in zone coverage. So even when Durango didn't have a wide receiver on, say, number 20, the cornerback, he's still playing a zone coverage right there. He's not playing man-man. If he was, he'd be following the tight end or the other wide receiver.
The whole thing with Bonanza, tackle them motherfuckers. What are y'all doing? Y'all don't want to get hurt?
Only one can really tackle.
You gotta really go through that motherfucker.
And number 10 and number 55, they can tackle. They be tackling. A linebacker and the defensive lineman, they be tackling.
Come on.
The little cornerbacks, they just be shedding them off. I was like, man, you nigga.
That's how Durango is running. But yeah, I'm like, okay. I'm not gonna get these boys so bad. I'm just mad that they lost. Yeah.
What the freak is this beeping noise? Okay, guys, I'll be back. What the? Oh,
Burning hair.
it's almost gonna make my ears Please, bro. He just beeping noise. It's about to make my ears bleed. That's because it's burning in there. It's too loud. It's making it too loud. But that was so loud. Dang.